how to do multiplication in Abacus tool. Rule for doing multiplication is the number of digits in the question should be always equal to number of digits in the answer. In this video, we will learn double digit into single digit multiplication. For doing double digit into single digit multiplication, first we have to learn how to select the rod for placing the answer. Because we are not going to place the question in the Abacus tool like addition and subtraction, we are just going to place the answer directly. Let's see how to select the rod for placing the answer. Look at the question. In your question you have 32 times 4. 32 times 4 means in 32 you have 2 digits and in 4 you have 1 digit. You have 3 digits in the question. So third rod is a selected rod for placing the answer. Means hundredths rod is a selected rod for placing the answer. Let us see how it works. First we have to multiply 3 times 4 and then 2 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. The rule for doing multiplication is the number of digits in the question should be always equal to number of digits in the answer. So 3 times 4, you have 2 digits in the question and in the answer also we have 2 digits. Look at this number 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. But here the number of digits in the question is 2 and the number of digits in the answer is 1. So what we have to do? Add a 0 before the number. So in the first step and second step, 3 times 4 equals 12. In question you have 2 digits and in answer you have 2 digits. 2 times 4 equals 0, 8. In question also we have 2 digits and in answer also we have 2 digits. 3 times 4 equals 12. Hundredths rod is a selected rod for placing the answer. So I am placing 12 in the hundredths rod. 1, 2. So 12. And 2 fours are 0, 8. So 128 is the answer for 32 times 4. Now your next question, 56 times 3. 5 3s are 15. As usual, third rod is a selected rod for placing the answer. 5 3s are 15. 1 in the hundredths rod, 5 in the tens rod. And 6 3s are 18. 1, 8. So the answer is 168. 56 times 3 equals 168. Next question, 15 times 2. How will you multiply 15 times 2? First we have to multiply 1 2s are. 1 2s are 0 2. Always add a 0 before the number when you are getting the answer a single digit. So 1 times 2 equals 0 2 and 5 times 2 equals 10. So the answer is 30. That's it.